Riding down a back road in a country town. I can't wait to get to my destination now. Today we're doing a change out in the woods, basically. No, not in the woods, but it's way out here in Big Sandy area. Actually, Point Mason Road, which is a wonderful place because there's a lot of nice wood areas to go through, wooded areas, and there's nature, and there's deer, and there's birds, and all kinds of stuff. So I like driving down here. It's gonna be a good one. I'm gonna show you what a change out looks like.
This one this far out needs to be a quickening.
It is pretty far out. Change out time.
I like these chucks, they're too big. Pull your truck up, Bubba.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
You're gonna pull your truck up so we can roll this unit down the hill.
Oh man, all right, let's do it.
Word.
Or leave it.
Good idea. Tennessee is beautiful, and I love being out in the country. No service. So a good method to get a unit around a house without tearing up the landscaping is to use PVC to slide the equipment on. We either use PVC, we use a dolly, we use a gate truck with a lift, and sometimes we have to use a crane. But this one is a good method. We're almost there. I'm ready. Let's get it. We have landed. We have landed. All right. Now we're going to slide the other unit to the location where it's going to be installed, where the pre-existing system was.
Not too long ago, I was in my garden, harvesting my lettuce, getting ready for the market. I was so focused, never noticed the signs, never late for a delivery, I was always on time. Let me have fun while I'm here for a minute, never too late to start a new beginning. The course is short and I have the drive, and I'll make the jump before I make the dive. We're capable of so much you have to see. The problem is that we don't believe. You got this chance, opportunity now. Take it or lose it before it all goes out. Let me get back to my harvest. I'm not waiting for anybody to start this. Let us not be sorry if we're honest. Life is so short, why don't you join us? Lettuce like this leaves the shelves real quick. My lettuce grows fast, I keep it stocked in the back. People like you like lettuce, me too. When I come through, I have lettuce for you. Yeah, yeah. You need a bag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have the lettuce for you. Yeah, yeah. You need a bag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have the lettuce for you.
Stand it up and like bicycle wheel it. There you go.
Place is right behind you.
Doing the uprights.
There's the replacement. It's good.
Gracefully set that down, James. That was so graceful. If you haven't figured out by now, what you do first is you take all the existing transitions loose, take the power connections loose, and then you take the unit out. You put a new pad in, you level up the ground for the pad so that the unit will drain properly, and then you get the new unit in position, and then you build transitions by measuring to make sure you know what to build. Let's measure some transitions.
Well, first thing, it starts out with a little bit of pineapple coconut.
Yes. Handy dandy notepad.
Gotta have it. And how's that guy say? You ain't gotta have it, but it helps.
Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah. You can use a screwdriver. You don't have to, but it helps.
Here we are on the supply side. Build it.
Draw it as you're gonna build it. Okay, that's the
First,
first
you want to
step.
check to make it easiest. If you can build a square transition, it's the easiest without a bunch of kicks or offsets. What I mean by that is where you take your level and you put it up on top of your S-lock here, because this is where your transition is going to meet into. Actually, your flex collar will build up to that. So you get it level, and then you make a mark on the unit side, and that'll tell you your level height from here to there. From there, you measure your duct here. So you got 10 inches on this side. And if you're going to build down to wherever you build down here, which typically I build to right underneath there, you put your tape measure on there, get your head down there. So looking at 17 and a half. So the way I'll draw that on paper is you got your straight top, basically your 10 inches over here, and your 17 and a half there. Okay. Now, since it's going to be a squared on transition, and the reason I know that is because I take my handy dandy square here and I line it up with this lip right here. And it pretty much lines up with that. I can fudge the unit that way just a little bit. All right. So it's going to be a squared on transition because I can get it to right there. So that means I can just build it straight across like this and with a kick down like that. So then it'll just go straight across like this. Boom. Just like that. And you got your 10 inches here, your 17 and a half. Next thing you need to know is what your width is between here. We put a flex collar in it. Flex collar will stretch up to 7 inches. We use right at 4 inches so that it gives us a little bit of play to where whenever we put our rain guard on here, I can fudge it in or out or whatnot a little bit to make it line up and seal good against the house. So right there, I've got right at 15 inches. You subtract your 4 inches, so it'll be 11 inches plus a 1-inch lip here to be able to screw to the unit. So that'll be 11 plus a lip. Then we know we need we got to know what the width is here also. Forgot to mention that, it's 20 inches. So we write that down there, 20 and 20. We'll need a flex collar for this, so we know it's the end result right here is going to be 10 by 20, so we need a 10 by 20 flex collar. And if this duck is the same size, which I'm sure it is, so that'll be 2 of them. And that transition will be built the same. I could basically take this, and that one side will be a mock-up for both sides, because I still got a square side over there, so it's the same thing. I only have to draw one drawing to build both transitions.
Change out finished, rain shield looking beautiful. Put some new breakers in there, and of course a new whip, new pad, drain with a trap. Looks wonderful, and it's a beautiful install. It's a beautiful day.